So good morning, this is Juan McKenzie here. I decided to make a quick video to showing the install of my new RAM, upgrading from 2 gigabytes to 4. Just got it ordered in from crucial.com memory supplier. So I went online on YouTube to find a video on how to do the install, and there's none. There's only still videos. So I figured I would make a quick video to show everyone how to install. This is an HP Pavilion laptop, presario CQ57. So basically you just flip the laptop over. You're gonna remove the battery, and there's actually only one screw on this device that you have to remove, and it's the one holding the guard door and to the RAM, which is underneath this cover here. So you just loosen that, and this kind of pops off. So just gently wiggle it out of place there, and then you will see the RAM here. This is the first slot and second slot. And I'm not a techie kind of person. I just needed some new RAM, and my cousin kind of mentioned how to put it in, and I couldn't find a video, so I just had to kind of figure it out. So as you notice here, there's 2 clips, one on each side. So we're going to pop this one out, and this one here. Just kind of move that out of the way. And then the RAM pretty much just pops out. So I'm gonna just click there, just loosen it, and you have to put this in at a 45-degree angle. So it just kind of pops up, and you just slide it out. It just comes right out there. So I'm gonna put this aside, and then you have, I got the new RAM here, so I'm gonna open these packs. Kind of already ripped them open, but you're gonna open these here, and it just pops right in. So open that one, go ahead and pop this one open too, so that we'll be ready to go once we get those open here. Let's just take them out of the pack here. All right. So, so once you get them out of the pack, remember I said you slide it in at a 45-degree angle, and then it clicks down to 0. All right, so just point and just click it into place here, and then press it down, and it clicks, and it's just that easy. Let me put the second set in, 45-degree angle, press and slide in 45 degrees, and see how it kind of sits up there, and then you just make sure it's in properly, and then just click it down into place, and voila. Within 3 minutes you got the new RAM installed. So then replace the cap, the cover, and put the battery back on, and you're all set to boot up the device and experience faster speeds. So that's it. I'm gonna sign out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring different videos, just various things that I do and that I feel post worthy. But thanks for watching, and hope this helped. Have a great day.